Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you're new to the page, you already know. Do yourself a favor. Come join the family by hitting the like, subscribe, notification bell. We're a family, all ages, all races. No hate here, all love. We just concentrate on making money, good people. All right. So today, what I'm going to be talking about right out of the bag is profit taking. And I'm going to be listing some stocks that I think you should be doing some profit taking now. Now, when I say I think, this is just Larry talking. I'm not your financial advisor. Anything I say is not a sign or a signal or a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. I'm just giving out some what I think and what I'm doing as Larry. That's the way I keep it, as what I'm doing. All right, good people. So, hey, let's get right into it. You can stop this video and come back. I suggest if you're new and you have some of these stock to get a pen ready. I'm going to try to move as quick as possible, okay? A lot of stock to cover. Let's go right to the charts. Right now, we know that Lucid Motors they got voted car of the year for 2022. Car of the year. I mean, it's an electric vehicle, is one of the first electric vehicles to get voted car of the year. And as you can see, it gets up to 520 miles on a single charge. No one in the entire industry even comes close. They are blowing it out of the ballpark. And for those of you that know, that was with me last year, you know we made a gang of money on warrants. We cashed in and cashed out 5 different times. Remember, it's not what you make, good people, it's what you keep. Okay, so let's go here. So let's look at Lucid. As you can see for the day, it's a little down. Let's go to the week. Look at that. Let's go to the month. It's been making a killer rip. Look at that. $24. It's up 50. It's actually up 106% in the last month. Okay, so you're up 100%. Some of us, we're up way more than that. Then it's just a time to take profit. Now you say, hey Larry, you said that this was a buy forever. Yeah, it was a add to your portfolio investment. But if you bought this at $45, then I'm going to tell you you should be taking some profits, even if you bought it at a lower rate. And I always say never ask for permission to do some profit taking. Now, I will tell you that Lucid Motors ran up too much too quick and is going to have a pullback. And it's time for you to do some profit taking. You can take 25% off the table. You can take 50% off the table and let it come back down. So if you bought it at, say, $50, then you bought it high. Okay, right now it's 52. If you bought it at $50, then you bought it high. If I bought it at 52, Larry, I would be selling it all right now, but because it may come back down to the 30s. Okay, so that's what Larry would be doing. I'm not suggesting you do anything. And I just believe that all EVs right now are going to NQ, I believe by the end of this year, they're really going to start pulling back. I believe all EVs will. So I'm not going to tell you to do this when it's low. I'm telling you to do it now when it's high. Just like I tell you not to panic sell when something is low, I'm telling you to take profits when it's high. I'm going to help to make you guys money, whoever will listen. All right, let's keep it going. So that's what I got to say about Lucid Motors. It is a great company, but hey, look at that. So this is Tip Ranks. There's a link below. If you want to use Tip Ranks, I have a link below. Download the link. Look at the packages they have. But this has helped me to make a lot of money. So look at this. As you can see here, Lucid Motors, they're saying, the Wall Street analyst is saying it has a target price of $43. Right now, it's $52, meaning they're saying that it literally could come down 17%. Okay, I don't always use what they say or what they show as the complete absolute. There's been a lot of times I went against these forecasts and I had a better judgment than they have, but I need to show you the guys the whole deal. Now, here's why I would do a little profit taking on Lucid, because if it does come back down to 43, which I believe it will in days, to be honest with you, over the next 12 months, it could go as high as 60. I also agree with this. So what you want to do is if you bought here, you want to take profit here and then buy back in here. Okay. And so that's what you want to do. I'm just using that as something to go by. Here, I got EV Go, but I also have Charge Point. So the yellow one is Charge Point. The blue is EV Go. They're both up today. EV Go is up today almost 4%. Charge Point is 1.24%. Okay? So these, as far as charging stations, for those of you that's been following me, I'm the most bullish on 3. EV Go, Charge Point, and Volta. Now, if you've been following me, I'm selling Volta at 14. And when I say 14, that may be 1380. If I see that it's showing a weak signal, then I may sell all, right? So I did some profit taking on Volta, as I shared with you guys already. And I have some more that I'm holding to get close to the $14 mark. As you can see, it's actually up again today. And Volta, I'm short bullish, meaning short term, I'm very bullish on Volta. And in my swing trade, in my Weeble, is where I'm going to sell it all when it gets to 14. All right. But I do have some long-term Volta that I'm keeping that I bought at like 690 or 688 that I'm holding in my Fidelity. That's long-term. All right, good people, let's keep it going. So hopefully that helps you with that. EV Go, I suggested you guys to do some profit taking on it. Hopefully you did. It had a slight pullback, but I'm also becoming more long-term bullish on EV Go because they're doing a lot of contracts, okay? So let's look at that again. EV Go, more long-term, I may be doing some profit taking on both of these again before Christmas. Why Christmas? A lot of people will just have their money, they will be cashing out around Christmas. It happens every Christmas if you're new. A lot of people are locking in even losses for tax purposes in 2022, okay? So they're going to declare a loss for 2022. So there's going to be a lot of cashing out. Won't be anything wrong with any of these companies. It's just that time of the year. Market generally, the week of Christmas to Thanksgiving, generally trades flat. Everybody's out Christmas shopping. Here's Blink. So I got Blink charging and I got Plug, right? These are 2 more EV charging stations. As you can see, Blink is the blue, Plug is the yellow. Blink is up today almost 5%, but Plug is down. Now, I'm telling you what I'm doing. On these 2, I'm not the most bullish. I'm more bullish on Plug, believe it or not, than I am Blink. And Plug is a little down. But I'm more bullish on Plug than I am Blink long term. So I'm swinging these. I'm going to wind up selling both of these. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm going to wind up selling both of these here close before Christmas. I'm going to take my money and I'm going to run. I wish I had that. I wish I had that video of that lady start the car. Sometimes you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Thank you.
So on this one, I'll be taking my money and I will be running. All right. So let's keep it going. Let's go to NEO. All right, NEO. So here's what I'm doing with Neo. All right. For those of you that had a meltdown when I was selling my Neo and moving it over into Lucid Motors, which you got to admit was perfect timing. Okay. I made way more money doing that play than just holding Neo. And I know some of you said, hey, yeah, you were talking about Neo long term. I was until China starts acting a fool. Remember, let's not just get locked into this is chess. You change your game plan all of the time. This is not set it and forget it, okay? This is knowing when to hold them, when to fold them, when to walk away, when to run. I suggest everybody go listen to that song, Kenny Rogers. You know, you'll learn a lot about the market. All right, let's keep it going. So Neo, let's look at Neo. If Neo drops down to 38.50, I'm gonna buy some Neo, right? And I'm gonna try to sell it at $44, $45. Now, why would you do that, Larry? This is going to be a swing play for me. I believe that there will be a run up to Neo Day. And it's just a buy the rumor, sell the news. And at that point, I'm selling it all. I'm not holding it. I'm going to be selling it to time it with my other EV plays. All right, good people. So we have a good understanding. That's what I'm doing with it. I'm going to buy it and I'm simply going to do a swing play. That's all. I'm not buying it to hold it. Why aren't you holding it, Larry? Is it a good company? Yes, it's a good car company. Do you think it's going to last long? Yes, I do. You were one of the ones that talked about you're going to make a lot of money. I still believe you're going to make a lot of money. But for me, I changed my mind and I'm everything that I was investing in Neo, I'm now investing in Lucid. If you want to keep Neo, that's good for you. And I believe you're still going to make a lot of money. The only reason that I left Neo is I can't stand China. Okay. And when I mean China, not the people, the government, they are corrupt. Okay. And they're all about control. And that's the only thing. The people, Chinese people, are wonderful people. In a lot of cases, good people, you have, and as you travel the country, you will learn, you know, when I go to the Virgin Islands and all of this stuff, you find the coolest and nicest people in the world. Unfortunately, places where you go where there's the nicest people, you have corrupt governments that's running them and taking advantage of nice people. Okay, so this is not against the Chinese people, it's against their corrupt government. Blink, ticker symbol BLNK. Plug, ticker symbol PLUG. ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. EVgo, ticker symbol EVGO. They're all you need to be taking some profits in all of them right now, I would say. Okay, that's what Larry is doing. I got to keep correcting myself because of all these rules, good people. They're making it hard on us out here. Lucid Motors. I would not be buying more Lucid Motors at this price, even though it's come down a little bit. It's going to come down more, good people. It just is. Listen, if you want to trade Neo and Lucid, Blink, Plug, ChargePoint, and EVgo, they are all available in the Webull app. I have the link below. Download it, deposit even $5 if you just want to try your hand at it. If you want to just experiment with trading with $50, download it, put $50 in there. You could start trading in about 5 business days. And you could just try your hand at it. Just listen to these other YouTubers, do your own due diligence, and then just play with some play money. Okay, good people? They're going to give you 2 free stock worth up to, $2,300. And then if you buy some crypto, they're also going to give you some free Shiba Inu. All right, that's what I want to say, good people. You know, some people say, hey, you're making your videos too long. So if I go from 15 minutes to 19 minutes, it's too long. But you know what? I got a lot of information I need to give you guys. And who cares if it's 19 minutes if we making money? If this has helped you one bit, good people, this is still mic check month. do me a favor and share my page with at least 5 of your family members and your friends, because it's going to protect you from them asking money from you. I love each and every one of you, and that is for real. All right, good people, y'all my family. Okay, y'all my sisters, y'all my brothers, my cousins, my nephews, my nieces, and I'm so glad we don't all look the same, and we are not all the same age. That's what brings me joy about this page. I love y'all. All right, live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure you check out all the links below.
What's up, good people?